as you have already been informed that your exam is divided into two parts. One is of the first one will be conducted in the month of November, and the second one is March, April. That means we have to attend two semester papers. Both semester together will be considered as your 10th class final paper. That means November paper and March, April paper are equally important. And the first paper consists of 40 mark, and purely it is written paper. Means no internal assessment, nothing is there for first semester. For the second semester, again 40 mark written paper and 20 mark internal assessment. So according to that division, you have to attend to the paper. So very seriously you have to do it. And you might have heard that the question pattern will be MCQs. That may not be that much easy to answer, because already you might have got various subject MCQs. It, you are at home, and with the presence of the book and all the convenience is there to get to the answer there, still you are confused. You are not able to get to the answer very easy. So very seriously you have to learn the lesson. Accordingly you have to get to the mark. So don't take it carelessly. So far you have got different opportunities to acquire mark, get mark, but it may not be possible for a long period of time. Everybody knows. You don't think that if you open your book and write the answer from there or from the Google, you are able to get to the answer. These all matters. Everybody know. Everybody knows this secret. It is not your intelligence. It is already known to all. Those who are conducting the exam, the examiners also know the matter. Accordingly, only the question will be arranged. So be very careful about these matters, and in the proper manner, I think that you may go through. Then English 2 syllabus Act 4 we have completed, just completed in the online classes, and in the class also I started to discuss that, but that part is not included here. That is not left there. That is there for the next exam. It will be the present time. It will not be included. Act 3 full 5 scenes. Next is 2 stories earlier done, and 2 stories, 2 stories and poem, and total 2 stories and 2 poems. Is it? These are the syllabus that which are there that already you know, and you might have got the, and in net also it is available, in the website also it is available, that you go through it. Same pattern of syllabus is for the second paper, Act 4 and 5 together, then 2 poems, 2 stories, like that is the next syllabus also. Then almost the syllabus is almost equal for 1 year, almost equal, little bit reduction only. So be very careful about that. Now we are going to discuss Act 3 Scene 1, because that is included in this term, this particular semester. But whenever you get free time or you are allowed to go out that time for the washroom purpose, boys should go to the ground floor, but outside outside of the school, and for the girls here. So accordingly, you have to make use of. Yes, when I start, it will be. Don't worry about it. I will ask your permission to start. Okay. If it is necessary, I will ask you when I have to start. Act 3, Scene 1. Venice A Street. The street of Venice. This scene is. And before the beginning of this scene, what all incident happened in the previous scenes that we should know. Just what were the incidents? All the details it may not be possible. The very first act, first scene onwards, introduced the major characters. The very first scene introduces Antonio and Bassanio, who were there, and what is the relation between this Antonio and Bassanio, who were their other friends. These all introduced in the first scene, first act, first scene. The second scene, we come to know that who is the major female character. Portia and Portia's assistant, Portia's living condition, and in which situation she is, what are her wishes, what are her difficulties, all described in the second scene. First scene, Antonio and Bassanio, their situation mainly. Antonio was a businessman, very rich businessman, and compared to him, nobody was there. Then Bassanio, entirely opposite nature. He had no business of his own, and he was not interested to continue as a businessman. His life is mostly enjoyment. He liked to enjoy life as much as possible. So he did not have any saving in his life. How much income he was getting, that he wanted to made use of. At the same time, he borrowed money from other people to enjoy his life. These all are about the major characters. Whatever the story, the film or drama or skit, whatever it is, positive characters should be there. At the same time, negative characters also should be there. Otherwise, the story may not continue. So, the third scene put forward a negative character, the villain character, whose name is Shylock. There comes another difference, not only the difference between the person, the religious difference also is described there. Shylock belonged to Jewish religion, and Antonio Bassanio and his friend circle altogether belong to Christianity. According to the social background, Christians and Jewish were keeping enmity because of various reasons. The major reason, at a glance, we can say that Jesus Christ was killed by Jewish people. So the followers of Jesus Christ considered Jewish people as their enemy. That was a general. It is not about the exact difference in the story. Generally, as a as a whole, we can say that this is the first and foremost most enmity between Christians and Jewish. At the same time, Jewish people believed that they were the direct gift of God and they are the God's own people. But Christians also believed that they are the people of Jesus Christ. And Jesus Christ was considered as God himself. So both of them believed almost same way, but different way it is, and difference in their religious faith. So they were not ready to cooperate with each other. Then their food habit, general culture, behavior, then manners, so many matters, difference were there. The same difference here between Antonio and his group and Shiloh. Then Shiloh had kept his business as money lending. Money lending means business means giving money for the needy people, and they may come and take the money or receive the money, borrow money. After a certain period of time, they have to return the money with interest. According to the social rules in Europe, receiving interest in some places, oceans, that is also given as the word there, oceans also meaning interest. Charging interest was considered as a crime among Christians as well as Jewish. That it means it was written in Bible that charging interest is a crime and it is a sin. It should not be practiced. That was the general belief. But the problem is like that only. Jewish people mostly misinterpret the religious teaching and the written rules in Bible, and according to their purpose, they misinterpret and mislead the people, and they started money lending business. But Christians were not ready to do so. That was the difference in business. Then both had a common religious book, not completely common, but most of the religious rules were almost same, because Jewish religion was the mother religion. From that, two other religions taken place: Christianity and Islam. So these three religions having the same teaching in the beginning. Not the entire religious book is not same. Both are all three are different. The first one, Jewish religious book, is known as Torah. The first part of Torah, and Christian religious book, Bible, first part of Bible, and the Quran, the first part of Quran also is also introduced same religious teaching in the beginning, but till the middle of the book, it diverts into three different directions. That means till the middle part, same only. So we know that we may have enmity with some non-people, neighbors, and some classmates. Sometimes it may happen. But after some time, it will be easily settled. But enmity very rarely happen between brothers, such as our family members. But once it happens, what may happen? It may not be settled. It will be very difficult for us to settle it, because among family members, if we have any enmity, it is very difficult for us to settle. The same happened with them, because Christians are from Jewish origin. So the enmity between the same family members would not be settled easily from the beginning of this religion till now. The same is going on nowadays also. If you read a newspaper thoroughly, you may come to know that the same problems still exist. So these are the matters related to the relationship between these all characters. Major characters, Antonio Bassanio, positive characters, then female major characters, Portia, Nerissa, negative characters, mainly Shylock. Then Shylock's friend's name also given there in between. Then that means, as a whole, we can consider that all Jewish people considered as enemies of Christians, and as Shakespeare, William Shakespeare was a Christian, and the major positive characters all were Christians. So Jewish characters were considered as negative characters, and 95% Shylock only considered there. Other friends not that much considered, only names given there. One is Jobel, the other one is Chose. Like that, two characters given there. One, then two more were there. Two more female characters were there in a negative role, or the group from the negative side means Jewish community. Do you know anybody? Remember, two more characters were there. Shiloh's wife's name? Leah. Leah was the wife of Shiloh. Now, at present, she is not alive, but her reference was there. One more there. Jessica. Two female characters. She was also Jewish. She was Jewish, but when we start Act 3, she is not Jewish. That time she is Christian. She converted her religion to from Jewish to Christianity. So these are the matters in the Act 1 we have to consider. Then Act 2, the very first scene is then Portia is introduced there. Some more incidents were there. Suitors came to marry Portia. That was also very important incident there, because it leads her life in which direction. That information we get from that scene means Portia's marriage proposal already kept. That means Portia is going to marry, to whom or when, that is not declared. For that, her father had made a lottery system. That were three caskets. One of the casket was the right casket, and the right casket, the one who chose the right casket would be the husband of Portia. That was the system made. But the suitors means young men who like to marry Portia. They came to Belmont. They thought that it would be very easy, but each suitor believed that he was the one suitable to marry Portia, because each and every person having the same feeling in each one's mind. If we consider that if we are going for a particular competition, we always think that I will be the winner. Why? Because that is a part of our confidence. If we feel that I may not be the winner, only I may go and participate, that person never win, because already he is having no confidence. So all the suitors came there with the confidence that I am the most suitable person to marry. When they reach there, they come to know that it would not be very easy, because it was a lottery system there, and to win the lottery is not the matter of strength, richness, fairness, like that matters having no relation with it. Only relation is the luck of the person, the fortune, good fortune of the person. That may be in favor of him, or that may not be in favor of him. That is unknown to each and everybody. So when they come to know about the lottery system, they are totally afraid of. So one by one, try to go back. So her expectation was Bassanio would come to Belmont. If he comes, she will be lucky and she can marry him. That was her plan. Till that time, another announcement reached. That was the entrance of Prince of Morocco. Morocco was not the name of a person, it was the name of a place in Africa. Morocco is the place in Africa. And this particular prince was from Morocco. That was why Prince of Morocco, that was the full name. And in short, we may call him Morocco. So he was a Negro prince. And Portia was not ready to marry him. And there was a comment she told. He looked like a saint. Or sorry, he behaved like a saint but looked like a devil. Means she has no interest to marry a person who has dark complexion. That was very clear, but it was not told publicly. It was told by her to her close friend Neresa. But the audience, we know, the readers, we know that her interest is not in favor of the Prince of Morocco. But she was ready to receive him. For that also she gave a reason. Because she already observed almost all the suitors already reached there and waiting there for an opportunity to open the casket to test their luck, how lucky he is or how lucky they are. But Portia has no interest in any of the suitors. So she wanted to send them back. It is not easy for her to send her back because it was an insult. Because they all were guests. And I am not interested to marry you. Like that she cannot say. But first reason is it is an insult. Second reason, she may disobey her father. Because father only arranged this casket system. She had the responsibility to follow it, obey it, and the instruction should be made use of. But her interest is not as the interest of her father. So she was in a very critical situation. That time only the announcement came that Prince of Morocco is coming to Belmont to marry Portia. Then she says that he should be received with the maximum respect and care so that the other suitors may come to know that they do not have any special consideration there. They are not at all important there. Already they are afraid of to choose the casket. Why they are afraid of? They all belonged to highly reputed rich families. Number of security guards, number of servants all were with them, and they themselves also mostly fighters, soldiers. So that means the military training, most of them already received. Still they are afraid of. What may be the reason of their fear? They will be their own respect. They want to maintain their respect in the society. If they go and choose the wrong casket before all the people, they will be insulted. means their respect, their position in the society. They wanted to maintain. That was why they were afraid of choosing the casket. So she turned to receive Prince of Morocco, and all the other suitors told goodbye to her and left the place. Then Prince of Morocco was very gladly received by her, and he himself also believed that he is highly reputed. Because of that reputation, he was received. Then he was led to the room where the caskets kept. Some of you at the last, look here and listen. Don't try to discuss anything there. Is it audible? Last one. Audible. Oh. Last one is able to listen means in middle students how can you be say like that? The last one is able to listen. Others also will be. Is it? Ah. Here last one. I didn't ask you. I asked him. He gave the answer also. Still, those who are not able to listen, a thorough checkup is necessary for you. First of all, you have to learn properly something. Then only you may understand it. What I told. For learning, you have to sit here. Ah, not for passing time and to try to be a sincere student here. Here, last girl said, able to listen. I know that is why I didn't take the mic. Or if I use the mic, that attention will be on mic, then on recording, then to the class. Altogether, it may not be that much. No need of any suggestion. Okay. Only listen. Okay, anyway. Act 2 begin with the entrance of Prince of Morocco. In the beginning itself, the major negative point in him, he himself told that he is his complexion is dark, and his dark complexion may be misunderstood by Portia. That should not be. He believed that his dark complexion is the blessing of the sun god, Greek sun god named Phoebus. Phoebus was the Greek sun god. And here the story is related to so many religious beliefs and religious quotations are given in this drama. We should know little bit about various religions and the general belief in various religions. Already I told you about 3 religions: Jewish, Christianity, and Islam. Almost same base of religion, means only single God, only one God. They believe in one God, and other religious persons mostly considered saints. All the 3 religions, this is the pattern, only one God. But in Greek religion and Hinduism, almost similarly considered. Means pattern of belief is almost similar. Not the same, but similar. Means in Hindu religion, as well as Greek religion, many gods and goddesses are considered. Not they mostly they are not mostly ready to believe in saints, and the activities of saints were not that much important. Important point is various important points related to one or other god. For example, strength, natural calamities, air, water, rivers, sun, moon, and other heavenly bodies. These all were unapproachable for human being. So they considered these all are one or other god. But in this, the first three religions considered that they all are the creation of God. They all are under the control of God. God wishes what all changes it would be possible. Like that, changes were there. So this Greek religion, already I told you, considered many god and goddesses. One of the god is the sun god. So what happened there? In the beginning, I told you, sit here for only for learning. Otherwise, no need to come. Keep your legs down. As a student, you have to sit there. Keep the leg down. Don't understand that what I told. When you sit on chair, you have to maintain the decorum of the class. For keeping the notebook, you have to keep the leg up. Is it? Is it the right way? For you, so many things may be right. And for all, it may not be right. Okay. If it is right for you, you have to sit privately, not in a group. Privately, you have to sit and behave accordingly. Privately, that freedom you have. That you can. No need to make any argument. Here, it is not possible. Wherever you are sitting. Otherwise, you can go to the any classroom. Privately, you can sit there. According to your convenience, you can sit there. But in the class, so many inconvenience may be there. We all are having and feeling too hot. All are having the same. Immediately, if one or two students may react about it, and how can we manage it? It's not possible. So many matters are like that only. And social life is the base of education. Is it? First of all, you have to learn how to adjust with the various situations. If you are able to adjust with the various situations, means you are considered as educated. Is it right? So we are here not only for learning some lessons. A social life we have to maintain. That is very important. There, and all of you should, whatever the hot situation, you have to keep the mask. You keep the mask properly, whatever it is. That I know. You have difficulty, that I know, but this is the rule, and that is the custom nowadays that we have to follow. Difficulties are there, that I know. Everybody knows. Anyway, that Prince of Morocco came and told that the Greek god, another name also we may use, that means one word answer. Sometimes the word may be changed and asked. Classical god. Greek god or classical god, both are there. Then third, Roman god. That's also same because the religion began began in Greece. Later, it spread to Rome. Later on, Rome adopted Greek religion as the Roman religion. Naturally, Greek god became Roman god. Then classical god, that it is a part of classic literature or a classic pattern of knowledge. You might have studied in history, Renaissance. Have you studied Renaissance, rebirth of the ancient culture, and classic literature were the part of this ancient knowledge. So these goddesses, and their activities all included in that literature. That was why these gods named as classic, classical god, Roman god, or Greek god. It's all same religion, only different way it is told. Anyway, here Phoebus. Phoebus is considered as the Greek sun god, and that Greek sun god. Now only I told you keep the leg down and sit properly. You don't understand that. Mandraj, you are not belong to this class. You are not the part of this class. Still he is. Then anyway, many times I told why I told you to keep the leg down. That reason I tell you. You are, if you are sitting by keeping the leg on the other leg, it means it is over proud. First matter is showing over proud. Second is the opposite, who is standing or sitting, whoever it is. I don't mind you. That is the second meaning. I am something, you are nothing. That expression is there. If you keep the leg up, means you are not ready to respect the person who is opposite of you or nearby you also. Nearby may not be that much visible, but opposite side you are not. That means you are not you are not showing the respect to the class, the people, and the people, those who are around you. That is why I told you, because it is the beginning, and many days you may sit like that. So that decorum you have to maintain. Body language can't tell you. Body language itself is showing your character. No doubt about it. Anybody having doubt? Body language itself is showing the character of a person. There is no doubt about it. If you are abused by somebody, immediately your face will be changed in a different way. If you are praised, you are you are you are being given a gift, immediately your face expression will be entirely different. From there, the other person can understand what is in your mind. That means your character and behavior 100% depend upon your body language. There is no doubt about it. So, these are the matters we have to understand about religion, religious belief. So, Morocco is very proud and says that I am proud of my color, this complexion. It is not a negative aspect in my life. It is the blessing of God. If if anything is the blessing of God, that should be accepted and respected. So he advises Portia that my dark complexion should be considered positively and should be uh, considered and should be he should be given the chance to choose the casket. Then he says that he is able to love Portia more than the other suitors. For that he has given a proof. He showed his blood. He took his sword and made a wound on his palm and showed his blood. And he said that his blood is having more red color than the red color of the uh, red color of the blood of the other suitors. And the first look, it was true. How it was? Because surroundings make the brightness. If you sometimes you might have uh, seen when you look at the mirror and show your teeth, you mostly feel that my teeth having not enough color. Little more brightness should be there. After uh, using different paste and a long time brushing, still you feel that everybody feel that my teeth color is not enough perfect. That we are not able to. Otherwise, we have to get the advice of a dentist and some chemicals or something like that we have to use. Otherwise, normal case it may not be possible. But a simple possibility is there. If you make your face dark and look at the mirror and show the teeth, immediately you feel that how much brightness you expected, more whiteness, whiteness will be there in your teeth. Why? Because not because of the color of the teeth, it is because of the color of the surrounding, the background. Background color made the change. The same way, the skin color of the Negro or skin color of the prince was dark, too much dark. There, a drop of blood looks dark red, natural, because of the surrounding, the background. But a fair person, a European fair person, his blood, if it is shown on its skin, it will be light in color. Dark red will not be, because it is the background color is different. So the same happened here. But nobody thought about this detailed matter. The first look it is correct. But nobody gave any comment. He told that his blood is having more red color than the other suitors' blood. That he told. Then he told that he is very brave. His bravery is accepted by large number of large number of ladies in his locality, means in Africa, and they already put forward proposal, but he don't like he does not like to marry any of such a lady. That was why he came to Belmont to propose Portia. After listening, Portia says that it is the particular situation for her to regret about, because she has no freedom to choose, or she has no freedom to reject anybody, because her wish totally controlled and managed by the promise which she had given to her father. And her father means late father, means her father is not alive. If he is alive, she would have requested him for a change. But now it is also not possible. So she had only one possibility, that is to follow the instructions given by her father. So that openly she told. Because of this lottery system, she told that Morocco is also given equal chance as to the other suitors. He can also choose the casket. If it is the right casket, she will be ready to be the wife of the Prince of Morocco. If he chooses the wrong casket, he has to go back. There is no difference there. In that, Prince of Morocco was very happy because his color is not considered. He thought that only one drawback in his life is his dark complexion before Portia. Otherwise, in Africa, in Morocco, he never thought about his dark complexion because everybody there had the same color and he never thought about it. But when he came to Europe, each and everybody fair in color, so he felt that it is a negative effect for his marriage proposal. But that will not be considered. Portia openly told that she will not consider the color. Then Morocco request her to lead him towards the casket. And before that, he told he is like the god of strength. He was able to prove his bravery in various ways. Like that, he pointed out more about the bravery and his special or extraordinary courage and respect in the society. But Portia tried to frighten him by saying that if you choose, if you go and choose the wrong casket, you will not be allowed to marry further. Not to Portia, further any other girl is ready to marry him, still he will not be allowed to marry. Means this will be his last chance. He can marry Portia only, that is the possibility, if he chooses the right casket. If he chooses the wrong casket, he has to go back and he will not be allowed to marry further. So that was really a threat, a frightening threat for Morocco. That was her purpose. But Morocco was not frightened to it. He was ready to take the risk. He told that I am ready to. Both I am ready. Means if I choose the right casket, I am ready to marry you. If I if I am not ready, if I am not able to choose the right casket, I am ready to keep the promise as he will not marry any other girl. Till that time, Portia is afraid of. Portia thought that he may choose the casket. A 50% chance is there. If properly calculated, 33% possibility is there to choose the right casket. Because three caskets are there, 33% is there, chance is there to choose the right casket. If he chooses the right casket, what may happen? She should be compelled to be the wife of the Prince of Morocco, the Negro Prince. That was her fear. So she turned his attention towards whom? Here you learned it all. Turned the attention towards prayer and dinner. She told that now we have to go for prayer. It is the prayer time, and after prayer, dinner time. After dinner, that day is over. That time is over. It will be the time for taking rest. So the next day or further any other day, the casket system and the lottery will be chosen like that. Portia tried to slip away from such a situation, and her intention was to make him frightened, and he also will be afraid of. He may consider his reputation and all. Later on, he also may say goodbye and he may go by. That was her plan. But that did not work out. Later on, Prince of Morocco again came. That is the next scene we see. When we go to the next scene, Act 2, scene 2, there Lancelot is the major character in that scene. Lancelot was the servant of Shylock, and he wanted to run away from Shylock's house, and there was a religious belief related to that incident. The religious belief is like that only according to Bible, according to Christian religious belief. Each and every human being guided by God and devil together. God at the right side and devil at the left side. God means mostly considered as angel. Angel at the right side with the words of God, and devil left side. That was the belief. And both are not ready to do anything unless the person is ready to receive the person, receive either God or devil. It means each and every moment we have to take one or other special decisions in our life for various matters. If we are going to take a wrong decision, means an examination hall, if you are sitting in an examination hall and ready to give your paper, when you get to the question paper, you may have the possibility to ask the answer from the nearby student. There was a possibility if the teacher is not nearby, the examiner is not nearby, a possibility is there. That time you have to take a decision. I have to ask the answer, or I have to write whether it is right or wrong. My answer I have to write. There is a particular time to take the decision. Long time will not be there. Within seconds you have to take the decision. If your mind turn towards your own answer, then God may encourage you and support you and tell you that your decision is the right decision and you have to continue it. The second one is, if you take a wrong decision, what may happen? The evil spirit will encourage you, and with that encouragement, you may be able to do more wrong deeds. And you continuously, one after another, the wrong deeds will be the part of your life. So like that, a particular situation, who reached, Lancelot reached. Whether he has to run away from his master, present master, or he has to stay back there. Finally, the advice from the fire means devil, the spirit of evil spirit, that encouragement was easy to follow, and he took the decision that he has to run away from his master, and he has to find out any other job. Till there, you have to revise it. That may not be directly, question may not be from that part, that was the ninth part only. As it is the continuous story, the basic part, if you don't know, you may not be able to understand and follow the later part. That was why I took from the beginning. That where we have stopped now, that will be continued next day. Then only we may start Act 3, Scene 1 onwards. There we may try to read each line and explain. I hope that you understood it accordingly. You have to go through it. Thank you.